How to build an effective content marketing funnel. 3 types of content marketing funnel. Number 1 Tofu, top of funnel. Number 2 Mofu, middle of funnel. Number 3 Bofu, bottom of funnel. Top of funnel, stage, awareness, goal, traffic, solution, content that provides information on a problem, topic. Example, what are SERP features, KPIs, visitors, CR, time on page. Middle of funnel, stage, consideration, goal, leads, solution, content that educates how your product can solve the problem, topic. Example, how to target and win SERP features, KPIs, visitors, CR, number of leads. Bottom of funnel, stage, decision, goal, payments, solution, content showing that your product is best solution for the problem, topic. Example, how Lionbridge grows featured snippet presence by 3,800% with SEMrush, KPIs, visitors, CR, payments, RO/ROMI. Follow for more, and visit our website www.ssdntech.com.